Sabudana can be eaten in many forms like khichdi, kheer, or even the vadas. Hello and welcome. This is Health Delicious Bites presenting you with yummy and delicious sabudana vada. Please stay with me till the end to see a healthy twist for this yummy and crispy delicacy. Sabudana vada is one of my favorite fasting snack. It's fried patty made with tapioca pearl, potato, peanuts and herb. This recipe gives you a super delicious sabudana vada that are really yummy, non-fried, gluten-free bite. To make this, you will require sago or tapioca. Have you ever wondered how to get a perfect non-sticky sabudana just like a pearl beads? Well, the solution is wash your sabudana with cold water until a clear water appears. This takes off most of the starch and prevents sticking. Soak the sabudana by adding just enough water to cover them. Also, make sure that you are soaking it for at least 4 to 5 hours or overnight. This method will surely give you a fluffy and non-sticky sabudana. Pan roast some nuts. Here I have taken peanut and almond. Almond will give a little bit extra oil to our vadas as we are not frying them. Let the roasted nuts cool down. Once it is cooled down, add them to the dry grinder and coarsely grind them. Let's add 1/3 of this mixture to our sabudana. Rest we are keeping it for chutney. Salt to taste. Here I have used pink salt or sende namak. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Add 2 to 3 small chopped chilies. Optionally, you can also add some cut ginger and coriander leaves. It will give a nice flavor to our vadas. Now let's add some boiled sweet potatoes. This will give a natural sweetness to our vadas and we don't need to add extra sugar. Plus, it has less carbohydrate compared to a normal potato. Now let's mix all together. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix the entire mixture very well. Now take some portion of mixture in your hand and shape them into the flat round vada or patty. If mixture is a bit sticky, use water or some oil on hand before you start rolling the patty. We can use these patties just like this to fry. Perhaps why not take them to the next level by stuffing it with some cheese or resin. For this, let's take some feta and mix with resin. Take some portion of the mixture in your hand and shape them into the flat round disc. Now take spoonful of resin mixture and add it to the patty. Let's seal the edges to form small round shaped vada. Similarly, let's take some mozzarella cheese and stuff into the vada. Seal the edges to form a small round shaped vada. Do this until you utilize all the mixture. Heat the ape pan and apply some butter or oil. Let's place the vadas into the ape pan. Keep the flame low and let it cook. After 1 to 2 minutes, turn the vadas to see if the side is cooked. It should be golden brown. You can apply some oil if required. Keep turning the vadas so that all the sides are cooked. Don't they look awesome? I can have them straight from the pan. But wait, let's make some chutney. For this, let's take our remaining nut mixture. To this, add 1 to 2 fresh chilies, some mint leaves and a small portion of ginger. Now add just enough water to grind it. To a small pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, Add half a teaspoon of cumin seed, some curry patta and some chopped ginger. Now add the chutney mixture. Add salt to taste and remaining feta mixture if you have, or 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Let it cook for 5 minutes and our chutney is ready. Serve this delicious hot vadas with chutney and enjoy. Trust me, the combination is to die for. I have made some healthy changes to this recipe. I hope you like it. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thank you for staying on healthy side. Until next time, keep having the healthy bites. Stay safe and happy.